In this video we will learn daily English short sentences. I want to listen music. I want to listen music. I want to watch movie. I want to watch movie. I want to play football. I want to play football. I want to ride bicycle. I want to ride bicycle. I want to open door. I want to open door. I want to close window. I want to close window. I want to eat breakfast. I want to eat breakfast. I want to eat lunch. I want to eat lunch. I want to eat dinner. I want to eat dinner. I want to drink milk. I want to drink milk. I want to write diary. I want to write diary. I want to go school. I want to go school. I want to learn English. I want to learn English. I want to sleep now. I want to sleep now. I want to play chess. I want to play chess. I want to jump high. I want to jump high. I want to draw cartoon. I want to draw cartoon. I want to listen story. I want to listen story. I want to watch cartoon. I want to watch cartoon. I want to help parents. I want to help parents. I want to go park. I want to go park. I want to clean table. I want to clean table. I want to drink tea. I want to drink tea. I want to play badminton. I want to play badminton. I want to run in park. I want to run in park. I want to draw house. I want to draw house. I want to watch TV show. I want to watch TV show. I want to eat apple. I want to eat apple. I want to drink coffee. I want to drink coffee. I want to draw animal. I want to draw animal. I want to draw bird. I want to draw bird. I want to paint wall. I want to paint wall. I want to paint picture. I want to paint picture. I want to take photo. I want to take photo. I want to take selfie. I want to take selfie. I want to film video. I want to film video. I want to watch movie. I want to watch movie.